Hi, on my screen is a Tableau map. Tell me the difference between what you see here on this sheet and on this sheet. Let me switch it back and forth. Difference between here and here. Yes, you guessed it right. This one has no country borders. It's clean by region. And the first one has countries. The map is divided by country. I'm Ojo and I love to talk about Tableau. If you do like my content, give me a follow. Here is the data source, World Indicators, that comes shipped with Tableau. I've kept two of the metrics here, and we have the country information and the region information. This is a copy of the region field. Let me show you what happens when I double click on this region versus when I double click on the other region which has a globe in front of it. Yes, that's the difference. That is the secret sauce. Once I put this to color, go to background layers, wash it out, remove all the other background map layers, an interactive map without any countries. What did we do different? Why does region show up as a text? And why does it show up as a map? The answer lies in the type of the field. You see there is an ABC in front of the region. If I were to make it into a geographic role, I would have to click on this, go down to geographic role, and create from country. There you have it. Now that region has a globe in front of it, and when double clicked, Tableau by default produces a map with longitudes and latitudes generated on columns and rows respectively. Now let's look at how we took it to the next level. Here, the map is colored by region. Great. Let's bring additional marks layer using the country. We have two layers. I can hide this or I can show this. If I hide, you see the dots for the countries go away. Let's make this into a filled map. Let's try with the other measure we have, CO2 emission. China, US, they stand out because they have higher CO2 emission, right? If I were to edit the colors into my custom diverging, white on one end, black on the other, it will give us the sense of a black and white map. And now I can have both my colors overlaid on top of each other. The regions colored overlaid with countries by CO2 emission. If I want to bring in the GDP as well, let's do it as a third layer. I can rename each of my layers. So this is CO2 and the other one is GDP. Bring in the GDP to the color. Move it back to how it was a circle. And then edit colors to be apply. So this map now has three things. It's color by region, color by CO2 emission, and then circle size and color by GDP. So what did we learn from here? That we can have a geographic role, we can have multiple layers, we can show hide those layers, and have fun with maps. Hope you find this helpful. Thanks.